Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Femke and for today I will be doing my swatches and in-depth review of the new Holo Taco Holo Royalty Limited Edition Nail Polish Set, the 2026 edition. So there are 5 polishes, it came with a nice glass file as well and also a little cute like holographic purple pouch that you can actually store or travel with polishes and nail supplies and so on. But yeah, this is a set that Holo Royalty, which I am part of as well, actually got their say in, and yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't been excited for Holo Taco collections for a while. I just felt like it didn't really call to me, like it didn't really speak to me lately, I have to say, especially the collection before this one, like the Hode Garbage kind of collection with the brownie kind of dirty kind of tones. And in the end I did purchase it because there was like a 20% Holo Royalty discount when I'm actually buying this collection as well. So I got that one for like $46 instead of the full price, and I got these polishes for I think it was 84 instead of like 105 or something. But yeah, let's just start off with the first bottle already. This one is so gorgeous, and it actually is my favorite color. It is so stunning. It actually reminds me or makes me think about my stillborn daughter Aurora. This color, it just reminds me of her. It is so beautiful. It is a light purple base with a ton of beautiful flakies and shimmer and definitely opalescence. This one is called No Opalogies, which is such a fun little like wordplay because it definitely suits this polish. It is a little on the sheer side with the first coat, but that was something I definitely expected because it is kind of like a jelly light sheer base with a ton of flaky particles and shimmer and glitter, and oh, it's just really gorgeous. It definitely looks like an opal gemstone, which is one of my favorite gemstones, by the way. That is always so beautiful, and I actually really liked the way it looked with 2 coats. It was like 95% opaque. You can make this even more opaque if you might like sponge it on or maybe just add a 3rd coat, but for 2 coats I was actually not disappointed with this polish. It is definitely my favorite of this collection, not only because it reminds me of my baby girl, but also because it is just stunning. Just look at it, like oh, this does something to me. It is really gorgeous. Do you guys also have like that when you see a color or a nail polish or anything that it just reminds you of someone or like a situation or moment in time? Let me know in the comment section down below because I'm always really curious to hear about that. The next one is Sprout of Control. It is a beautiful purple polish. It has some like magenta kind of sheen to it, but also really beautiful green shimmer. Usually I'm not a fan of green. You guys know me, especially if you've been hanging out here with me on my YouTube channel for like the last decade, that green is my least favorite color to wear on my nails. But I have to say, green is starting to grow on me because I'm actually really appreciating a good green nail polish at the moment, and not all shades of green like suit me or are my cup of tea, but something combined like this with a purple is really gorgeous. And I actually found out that this polish was a thermal, even though the thermal effect just doesn't show up on my nails in this footage. That was just because when I was recording this video a week ago or like 1.5 weeks ago, it was super cold here in the Netherlands, and it was really cool, like warm like in my house as well, so my hands were really cold while recording, so that is why it doesn't show up. But it actually goes when it's warm towards the sage green with the beautiful green shimmer in there, and the cool tone of course is this deeper purple. Really gorgeous. I think it's really stunning on its own, to be honest, without the thermal effect, which is something I really want to mention because not everyone has longer natural nails or longer nails in general. So if you do have shorter nails, you might only see one or the other color depending whether or not your hands are warm. So yeah, that's just something I wanted to put out, but it was really nicely opaque within 2 coats. Then the next one is not really a regular polish, it is a top coat. This is the purple Flake Taco. I'm always like, I do like the fact that Holo Taco comes out with like more special kind of top coats or toppers, but they just don't really like, I don't know, there's something about like that it is a top coat and they're still like $14 if you like purchase it on its own. I just feel like it's overpriced for what it is. If they would have like done a colored base and then the purple like flakies in there, that would be a whole other story for me personally. Let me know what you think about that. I just feel like their top coats are just so expensive compared to their polishes, because their polishes are like $15-16, and just look at what you get like compared to the top coat. For example, next polish is Sage the Day. It is packed with holographic glitter or shimmer. I'd say it's not really super gritty glitter, but it has a beautiful bluish kind of sheen to it as well. This is just calling my name, even though it is a green. But greens with like something extra, just like the holographic goodness going on in here, as well as that blue like shimmer that if it hits the light perfectly, it just lights up your nail like some kind of laser beam in space. I don't know. It's really beautiful. It is a little bit sheer still on the first coat. I expected it to be a little bit more opaque, to be honest, because their holographic like polishes tend to be more opaque within the first coat. But then again, I really can't complain, to be honest. The second coat makes it completely opaque. It is really gorgeous. If you are into green, especially like a little bit more muted sage green kind of colors, and you like holographic stuff and beautiful sheen kind of polishes, definitely check this one out. It's really gorgeous. One thing I did want to mention, by the way, because I get asked this question quite often, if whether or not I am sent out these polishes by Holo Taco. No, I am not. I am not part of their PR listing, unfortunately, so I actually have to pay a lot of money to get these polishes, especially with shipping, import costs, taxes. Don't even get me started. It is so expensive for me here in the Netherlands to actually buy Holo Taco. So, Holo Taco PR team, if you're on the lookout for someone to add to your list, please consider me, because I'm breaking the bank on these polishes. But yeah, let's just continue with the fifth and final color, which is also really stunning. It is called Keep It Evergreen. It is a dark green base. It is a little sheer, but it is packed with beautiful shimmer and glitter particles. It is really gorgeous, and that is so crazy for me to say, someone who just doesn't like green that much. But this one also isn't just your standard green. It is gorgeous. Like, I just love polishes that are dark and vampy like this. This, for example, reminds me of mermaids, like a mermaid's tail or something. It is really gorgeous. Like, the shimmer in here, the shift in here, it is just so, it has a lot of depth to it, and that is something that I really like, especially when it comes to polishes that have this higher price range or are in a higher price range. I just feel like I need a little extra to make up for the price, if you know what I mean. But yeah, really gorgeous. Definitely completely opaque within 2 coats. And yeah, I'm really excited about this collection. Like the top coat, it's just nah. Okay, it's part of the collection, but I wouldn't buy it separately. The opal one, my favorite, definitely. Let me know what you think about these colors. Did you purchase some yourself? Which ones? Or are you planning on getting some? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I hope to see you in my next video.